Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. I'm going to do a quick video here on how you can do your own market analysis. Whether you do it pre-market, you wake up a little bit earlier and do it before the market opens, or if you like to do it the night before, or if you're a swing trader like on Sunday night or something like that. But me personally, I like to get up just a little bit early before the market opens and do it in the morning. That way, it's just a little bit more fresh in my mind, and I can get a little bit a better feel at what the market's actually doing. But it's completely it's up to you. Whatever you're comfortable with. I'm going to do this just on the 15-minute chart. I obviously do it on all my time frames, whether it be the hourly, the daily, 15-minute, or one of my tick charts, 233 tick, whatever it may be. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to be doing it on the 15-minute, just to show you basically what you do when doing market analysis. Let's go back in time here and show you what it used to look like. Like back in time, this trend line right here was drawn from that low, and then you see it had another low here. So basically this is what it started out as, and then moving forward it held for quite some time. It held, even though it was broken here, it still traded back up above it. Me personally, I like to edit it. Now a trend line's been adjusted, or if the market's traded in any other way, I just like to adjust it. So I'll go back and I'll grab it and I'll just redraw it, something like this. Simple as that. Now I do notice that it has been channeling this whole time, so I will basically duplicate that line, and sure enough, it almost meets it perfectly. So I'll just throw it up there. So now I have a high and a low. Now you will get better with this over time. This may confuse you, or you may be like, hey, how is he drawing them lines, so on and so forth. You'll get better over time. The more you do it, it's just like everything else, just practice. I'm going to duplicate it again because I see a center point in here that the market has used over and over and over. And once you look back, you're going to see that as well. Now, does it use it every time? No, but that's what we're trying to do here is basically create levels, even these highs. You can do horizontal price level lines like this. We had resistance, 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 and over time, it's going to keep using that as resistance. Now that it's broken, that is now a very major support level. So basically, what I'm trying to say is whenever we draw these, we basically give structure to the market. So what am I looking for when I'm trading intraday? Well, I'm using this to draw the major levels on my longer time frame, and then intraday, whenever I use the smaller time frames, if I see the market trading up to one of these major levels, I'll use a smaller time frame and get ready to take a trade. Like on this example right here, this is an optimal time to be looking for shorts, as well as up here and here and here, and even here whenever it broke, we could be looking for shorts. But maybe during that time with the smaller time frame, which it looks like it just literally blew through it on Friday. There was no pullback at all at that level. If the internals or an indicator or nothing like that shows a potential pullback, you just wouldn't be taking it. So this is just levels to pay attention to watch out for. Like right now, whenever this market pulls back to this 1511, 1510, 50 level, we're going to be watching it very closely for longs. So that's the ES. You can go through all your markets and do it. Say like the euro here. Euro's pretty basic. Right now I just got some downtrends. I have another set of charts that I actually have much more drawn and on the smaller time frame, but the same thing applies. You notice I just added a center line there because it is using the center level quite often. So now we're in a micro channel, and then when it breaks through, it's going up to the higher channel, and so forth. So it just keeps us on the right side of the market. It really helps us not get chopped out quite as much to actually have all this set up. Same thing, you can, like I said, this is crude. You can apply this to all your markets. It's just something to stop you from over trading. Wait for the highest percentage trades. I promise you, if this affects the amount of trades you take, it's going to be for the better. If you're struggling to profit on a consistent basis, there's a very good chance that you're over trading. And starting to take too many trades. So this is going to help you be a little more patient, a little more disciplined, and in the long run, I can see you getting much more consistent and much more profitable out of this. So I hope you like this video. It's very basic, but it's very important, I do feel. So whether you're someone who wants to get up early and do your analysis or do it the night before, it doesn't really matter. It's your preference, but I hope you like this video on just basic technical analysis, and you can use it for all your markets. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in watching me do this or how I do this, come join me in a live trading room. DirectionTrader.com. You can come over and take a trial. So you have a good day.